Are you looking for a boozy, easy to make gin cocktail? Stay tuned and keep watching because today I'm going to show you how to make a gin sour. So the classic gin sour for me is probably one of the most underrated gin cocktails out there. It's a great cocktail for me when customers will ask me, can you just make me up something special with gin? Because it's so easy to make and very rarely do I get somebody that doesn't like it. Really simple recipe. It's pretty much 60 mils of gin, 15 mils of sugar syrup, 30 mils of lemon juice and an egg white. Today I'm going to do a little bit of a twist. It is an Australian gin sour and I'm going to use the Imbue Distillery's Elixir. This is a gin liqueur. Now, for those of you guys that aren't in Australia, I love using the Hayman's gin liqueur. It is fantastic as well. So it's a sweetened version. Because we're going to use the liqueur, we're not going to put that sugar syrup into the cocktail, obviously because of balance. I love this. It's got scented honey, lemon, and vanilla. And I'm going to use 30 mils or 1 ounce. I'm only using 1 ounce or 30 mils of this because I don't want it to be too sweet. And I'm going to use for the other boozy part of the cocktail, 30 mils of the Imbue Distillery. This is the Journey Juniper, Apple, and Muntries. I think it's going to go really well in this cocktail. Once again, for all my viewers that are everywhere not in Australia, here's a really nice floral style gin, or even a London Dry style works as well. Next up, we have 30 mils of fresh lemon juice and 1 egg white, or I use 20 mils of Aqua Faba, which is just butter bean or chickpea juice. That's nice. And give it a good shake. All right. So I did shake extra hard there because I didn't dry shake. And if you don't know what I mean by dry shake, check out the videos up here on sour cocktails. As usual, I'm going to double strain it into a pre-chilled glass. And for my garnish, just a lemon zest. Really nice and simple. Get that lemon around. Sometimes I like to put it down the stem of the glass as well, so you get that nice lemon oils on your fingers. That's a gin sour, guys. Let me give it a try. Beautiful. Wow. All right, the Elixir. Scented with honey, lemon, and vanilla. This is the first time that I've tried this and used it in a cocktail. That honey and vanilla just comes through amazingly. Unfortunately, I think it's only available in Australia. I'm going to have another sip of that. That's beautiful. I love the gin sour. This has just added a different sort of element to it. So I guess you could always add a little bit of honey to it if you're making just a traditional gin sour if you can't get this liqueur, because it kind of a little bit tastes like a bee's knees for those of you that are into classic cocktails. That is so good. Thank you once again, guys. Please like, subscribe. See you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.